Hello, it's Kona, and I'm gonna show you how to make a Minecraft server from your own computer. You don't need to go to hosting websites or anything, it's completely free. All you need is a little bit of RAM or memory, whatever you want to call it. So, real quick, let's just get right into it. Now, the first thing I like to do is just make a new folder right here. Right here, boom. And I'm gonna title this one Minecraft modded server, and there we go. Now we have a folder where we're gonna put everything. Alright, next step. Alright, here's the next step. We're on the Forge official website, so what you want to do is go down to the version you want. I want 1.12.2, and then you go to download latest. You click installer here. There we go. And then you just wait 6 seconds up on the top right. And there you go. Once you wait a couple seconds, this skip button should pop up. Just click it, and it should download the jar file for your Forge version. Press keep, and go ahead and drag and drop this into your folder that you made on your desktop. There you go. So now we're in the folder. Now what you want to do is just double click this, and make sure that you click install server. Now down here, this text might go red. You just click these 3 dots here. I'll go to my desktop right here, and Minecraft modded server. Press open. There you go. Now if this is still red, just ignore it. It's fine. Go ahead and press OK. Now this will run, and this will add a bunch of files here on the side, and just let this run until everything's done. Alright, once this is done, this window should pop up. Successfully downloaded Minecraft server. Just press OK, and there you go. You should have all of these files in your folder. Now what you want to do is double click Minecraft_server, and then give it a second. A couple things should pop up. That window should open, and it should immediately close. Now the reason for that is you see this eula.txt that just popped up. Go ahead and double click that to open it. Right here, change the false to true. Hit file, hit save, and you can go ahead and close this. Alright, now that you've edited the EULA to true, go ahead and double click Minecraft_server, whatever your version is, and now it should open up. There you go. So this is going to open up now, and it should say a bunch of stuff, and at the end, once it's done, it'll say done. So just give this a little bit. And there we go. Done. It should say that right there. So this means that your server's up, but your friends will not be able to join it just yet. Before we do anything though, since I'm the owner of the server, I'm going to go and OP myself by doing /OP and then my username. There we go. Give it a second, and you see Opticona6789 right there. So now you can go ahead and type stop to stop the server. Alright, so now that we're done that, we can go ahead and double click the server.properties file and change all of this what you want. Since I'm doing a modded server, you should always allow flight to true, because some mods, if you don't have this, it'll kick some people when it lags. Alright, so now that we're done that, we want to go over here and find server-ip equals. Now what you want to do for this is go down to the start button here, or what you could alternatively do is press Windows plus R right here, type in CMD like that, and press OK. Now go ahead and press ipconfig, put that in there, press enter. Now a bunch of stuff is going to pop up, ignore it. I blurred a couple of it out because all I want you to know is this one. This is the IPv4 address. This is the one that you need to find. So go ahead and do this, Control-C to copy, and go ahead and minimize this. Don't close it, we'll need it later. Now, paste what you just copied into there, file, save, and you can go ahead and close that out. Alright, now you've gone ahead and finished up your server.properties file. So now what you're gonna do is you need to find your public IP address so that your friends and family and people you trust can join. So to do that, go into any browser and just type in what's my IP. Now it should pop up, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut this out black screen because I don't want you guys finding this. Because, you know, you could do a lot of bad stuff with this. It's the internet, you know. Only give your public IP to people that you trust, because people can do a lot of bad things with your IP, okay? So now that you have copied down your public IP address, go ahead and give that to your friends and family. That is what your friends and family will use to connect. Now what you want to do after that is you need to go ahead and port forward. So I'm not going to do a port forwarding tutorial right now. You could go ahead and look at other videos for that because it's more in depth, but it's pretty easy. So there you go. Once you've gone ahead and port forwarded, you can go ahead and launch your Minecraft server again. Although right now, it doesn't have any mods in it. What if you want some mods? We made a modded server, right? So actually, don't launch it. Ignore that. What you want to do is just real quick, right click, new, folder, mods. There you go. Perfect. And then just download all your 1.12.2 mods and drag and drop them into this folder. And then when you launch the server by double clicking this, it'll take a second. There we go. It says done right here. Now, once you put all your mods in and you've started the server, your friends will use your public IP address. Again, that is the one we had to look up with what's my IP in Chrome. And you're good. That's it. You're good to go. You've port forwarded. You've gotten your public IP address. You've put the mods that you want in. There you go. Now your friends can join via your public IP address, and you can join via your IPv4 address. To find your IPv4 address, that is the one that you put in your servers.properties file for the server IP. Use this to connect yourself and your friends and family, people you trust, use your public IP. And that is all. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.